Welcome back, guys. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about how we can annihilate any limiting beliefs. So I'm going to walk you through a process called the Dickens Process, and I want to make sure that everybody's got paper, everybody's got a pen, and essentially we're going to go through a journaling exercise to help you through this. So first question, guys, I want everybody to identify 3 beliefs that you feel have held you back over the years. So 3 beliefs that you feel might have held you back either currently or over the years. And you can pause the video, and I just want you to take 5 to 10 minutes to come up with three beliefs that you feel might be holding you back or might have held you back in the past. Okay guys, question number 2. So I want you to go through the 3 beliefs or the 3 limiting beliefs that you've just wrote down, and I want you to list next to each one the negative consequences that you've experienced off the back of these beliefs. So what are the negative consequences you've experienced off the back of each of those beliefs? Okay guys, so for the last bit, I want you to put a line through each of the limiting beliefs that you identified in question 1, and I want you to replace it with an empowering belief in its place. So cross out the limiting belief, and I want you to think of something that's more empowering, a different way to look at things, a new belief, and replace the limiting belief with something more empowering. Okay guys, so you can use this exercise to reverse any beliefs that you feel are holding you back. So we spoke about in one of the earlier videos how important beliefs are in terms of shaping our perspectives, and how important our perspectives are in terms of dictating how we view the world. So think about other beliefs in your life, other areas of your life where potentially your beliefs are holding you back, and I want you to question it. I want you to question whether those beliefs are still serving you and whether we need to change them. So spend some time thinking about the 3 limiting beliefs that we've gone through today. Review the consequences as you did in question 2, and start buying into the new empowering beliefs that you created in question 3, and use this exercise for any other beliefs that you feel are holding you back in other areas of your life.